Good morning class, it's our class 9 video of chemistry part 9. Student, in our previous video we are discussing about some diffusion property in the matter, that what is diffusion and in which state it is higher, and we saw some examples also. So first we revise that topic again, then we will move on our next topic. So students, what is diffusion? हमने पढ़ा था कि diffusion क्या होता है. That property or that process through which the two substances get mixed due to motion of the particles. Because of motion of the particles is known as diffusion. When two substances, like it's a bromine and it's bromine get mixed, and you can see the result, what happened. The whole jar is filled with the bromine water. Why? Because of the motion of the particles of both air and water. मतलब डिफ्यूजन वो प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू कोई भी दो डिफरेंट सब्सटेंस इजीली मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं. बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी? मोशन. इट मीन्स इट जस्टिफाई दैट, and we know that the air and the bromine are the matter, so that the particles of that matter having the nature of motion. So, and it done at very constant speed. जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको बताया था सनलाइट. इन सनलाइट वी ऑब्जर्व व्हेन इट कम्स through the window, we observe some particles and we all are surrounded by those particles. So, and it is our first chapter, matter in our surrounding. So when the sunlight comes from the window, we observe some particles in that sunlight which having some motion, and it keep moving in such a direction, but they don't have any direction, they move randomly in all direction. Okay, so which justify that those particles having some nature known as the motion. And what type of motion they show? Brownian motion. Brownian motion. Every matter particle having a nature of motion known as Brownian motion, and it is governed by Brownian scientists, in which it defines the motion of the particles in the zigzag form. Okay, तो ये हमने अपनी कल की वीडियो में कवर करा था, और वी सॉ सम एग्जांपल्स रिलेटेड टू इट. एक बार उसे भी रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. इसमें हमने देखा था सम लाइक जैसे किस तरीके से सॉलिड में डिफ्यूजन होता है, इन गैस और इन लिक्विड. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दैट एग्जांपल्स वी सॉ सम फैक्टर आल्सो, दैट हाउ द टेम्परेचर एंड द प्रेशर इफेक्ट द डिफ्यूजन. सो फर्स्ट इज टेम्परेचर. Student, whenever the temperature increases, so the kinetic energy is what? It is the energy of the moving particle. So when the Bose property increases, diffusion obviously increases. That's why in the latent heat, when the state changes its form, the temperature and the kinetic energy is very low, about 0.0. You can, as an example, I am just giving you an example. So that's why there is no increase in the temperature, and it changes its state by absorbing the heat. But we are talking about diffusion. So what is diffusion? किसी दो different substance का mix-up होना with the help of motion or due to motion of that particles, so called as diffusion. Now अगर temperature कम है, if the temperature is low, so the kinetic energy is the moving energy. अगर काइनेटिक एनर्जी भी कम हो जाएगी देन डिफ्यूजन विल बी लेस ऑल्सो. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इफेक्ट ऑफ pressure on diffusion. You can understand with this diagram. So here it is, like it is a jar which filled up with the gas known as carbon dioxide. When we apply the pressure, and you can see the particles are very far from each other, but when we apply the particles come closer. But when we extend the pressure, extend means increase the pressure, so the particles get closer and form a solid, changes to a solid. So the gas converted to the solid, which is a dry ice, and it is stored in the cold storage for cold storage food. So इसमें हमें क्या पता लगा कि जब हम प्रेशर इंक्रीज करते हैं, when we increase the pressure, then the particles getting close. When the particles getting close, so the motion between the particle is less. Motion will be less, so the diffusion obviously it will low and it convert to the solid. So pressure, the relation of the pressure with diffusion is inverse. Whenever the pressure increases, the diffusion between the substance less, so the mixing will be not happen. Now we studied three states like gas, liquid and solid. So what type of states show much higher diffusion? You can easily answer with this activity. It means the gas show much higher diffusion because the particles having much space, or they are randomly arranged, or they move in all directions. So gas. Next, liquid. हमने लिक्विड में पढ़ा था फर्स्ट वीडियो में, इंक की एग्जाम्पल ली थी हमने. लाइक जब when we put ink in the water, they start dissolving easily. So the liquid also possess diffusion property because जो इंक के मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो अपने आप ही वाटर के मॉलिक्यूल्स में डिजॉल्व होना स्टार्ट हो गए हैं, एंड द होल वाटर बिकम ब्लू with the help of motion of both particles. Now the question is, the solid substance also show diffusion? Yes, it is. How? But because क्योंकि जो solid के particles हैं, the particles of the solid having much force of attraction, so how they show? They show, but at a slow or a very constant speed. Like when I write something on a board with a chalk and it doesn't clean for 1 week or 15 days, so after that day it is not possible, or it is very difficult to remove such words from that board. Why? Because the particle of the chalk start getting diffused into the particles or the pores of the blackboard. So the diffusion also occur in the solid, but at very slow speed or at very such a constant speed. Now example like cooked food. Cooked food is a solid. When it comes in contact with air, we smell it from miles. So diffusion also occur in the solid, same as a liquid and gas also. So these topics we cover in our previous video. I am just revised you. Next topic is evaporation, and we cover the evaporation in changes of state. मैं आपको एक बार डिफाइन बता देती हूँ. evaporation means vaporization, जिसमें कि liquid state convert होती है to the gas state, but there are some factors which affect that property, that evaporation. Then these are such factors which affect the evaporation. First, temperature. Second, surface area. Third, humidity. Fourth, wind speed. एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं आपको बताऊँ इवेपोरेशन आप इजीली अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. जब आप when we wash our clothes, so wash our clothes, they are wet, so they having a liquid, but when we put in the sunlight, हम यहाँ क्लोथ की बात कर रहे हैं, जब हम वेट क्लोथ को सनलाइट में रखते हैं, सो दे हैविंग लिक्विड एंड स्टार्ट गेटिंग चेंजेस इन स्टेट, हाउ इन गैस फॉर्म, बिकॉज जो पार्टिकल्स हैं लिक्विड के वो गैस फॉर्म में इवेपोरेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन इवेपोरेशन, क्योंकि लिक्विड पार्टिकल्स का इवेपोरेट हो रहा है इन द गैस फॉर्म। सो फर्स्ट है टेम्परेचर। आपको इसी एग्जांपल से समझना होगा कि जैसे आपको एज्यूम करना है यू हैव पुट योर वेट क्लोथ इन द सनलाइट, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस। नाउ टेम्परेचर, observe that the temperature of the outside is very high or it's a sunny day, so whenever the temperature increases we know that the particles or the movement between the particles increases, so particles between the wet cloth getting increased and it will change into gas form, like the rate of evaporation increases on increasing the temperature of the liquid. Okay, same as the surface area of liquid. Surface area, अगर स्टूडेंट अगर आप जैसे वेट क्लोथ्स को बाहर सनी डे में ड्राई होने के लिए डालते हैं, देन अगर आप उन्हें पूरा खोल के लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर इफ यू स्प्रेड दैट क्लोथ, सो द surface area of that cloth will increase and evaporation will be faster. Okay, next is humidity. अगर if students अगर बाहर cloudy day है, then the clothes will not evaporate easily because the temperature is low, so the movement between the particle is also low, and due to which it does the evaporation getting slow. When the humidity of air is low, then the rate of evaporation is high and water evaporate more rapidly. मतलब जब humidity कम होगी then evaporation obviously ज़्यादा होगा and water evaporate more readily. Same as जब हमारी body when our body is sweat from the body evaporate readily, we feel cool. जितनी जल्दी हमारी बॉडी से स्वेट रिमूव होता है we feel cool because the particle of the sweat take some latent heat from our body and when they evaporate we feel cool. और these topics are interrelated to latent heat, so you can easily अगर आपको latent heat easily समझ आ गई है so you can understand the factor also. So these are wind speed, अगर wind speed ज़्यादा होगी तो evaporation जल्दी होगा. Simple, the rate of evaporation of a liquid increase with increasing wind liquid. तो आपको ये एग्जाम्पल माइंड में रखनी है, उससे आप इजीली ये एग्जाम फैक्टर्स समझ जाओगे.